Hello and welcome to my art studio on wheels. My name is Chrissy and I'm an illustrator from Germany. Today I show you how I draw a bird. For my drawings I always use ombre paper and colored pencils. Sometimes I also use pastel pencil. As you see here, the yellow pencil, for example, is a pastel pencil. As you see, in the beginning I'm just blocking in colors without thinking. There's no special structure which I give it, except the gray part on the forehead, but the black color I just block in. A gray paper gives you a good advantage, because gray is always shining through everything in the whole picture. And so with white you only give highlights on top of it. To give the beak a shiny effect, it's always good when you make a white line for the shine, but then on top of that you make a black line. Just follow the drawing step by step. Don't think, don't throw it away, don't stop drawing. Just go on. In the beginning you will think it would not look good, but you will see the more you follow the steps, the more you follow exactly your reference image. Step by step your drawing comes to life. Don't be too critical. And also don't be scared if you don't follow your reference image too precisely. Sometimes you can release freestyle or just do things similar, or maybe sometimes you draw things in, which I do very often, which are not in the reference. Some more feathers or feathers at a completely different place. I'm just doing it and it looks as if it is real. Try to take a distance from your drawing. Sometimes stand up from your desk and go away and then come back and look at it without looking at the reference, and you will see, oh, that looks good already, that's not bad, I go on with it. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would be happy if you subscribe, like or comment.